Welcome to the iHouse Elite training video on how to save a search and enable HouseTrack for your clients. In this video, we'll cover how to save a search on behalf of your client and enable HouseTrack email updates to notify them when new listings meet their saved search criteria. And with that, let's get started. Begin by logging into your iHouse Elite admin menu. From the admin menu, click Turbo Leads, then Contacts. Select the contact you'd like to set up a saved search for. Click Create New Saved Search. A new window will open showing the save search options you will configure for your client's save search. Let's say your client is looking for a house in Sacramento for at least $300,000 or more, and they also wanted to make sure it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Once you have those options selected, at the bottom, you'll see the option to enable HouseTrack. Checking this will enable automated emails that showcase listings that match that search criteria, alerting them of new listings with that criteria. And when you're done configuring these settings, press Save. As you can see, the saved search is now listed under the card. Underneath the search, you can see when the HouseTrack was activated, when the automated emails will be sent, and when they expire. You can also choose to send the HouseTrack emails daily or weekly. If you select weekly, you can specify which day of the week this will send on. Additional controls can be seen under the 3 dots here on the right, such as View the saved search, Edit the saved search, Exclude from HouseTrack email, Extend HouseTrack emails, share the saved search, or delete the saved search. And with that, you're all set. And that concludes our video on how to save a search and enable HouseTrack for your clients. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will give you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our Elite Service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.